Good afternoon. Today, we're going to be learning how to make some of the best, world-renowned chocolate chip scones. First, let's start off with a few foundational ingredients. 2% milk, the thicker the better. Some pure vanilla extract. Some Smith Bros eggs. Some sugar. Some flour. Some salt, just a pinch. Some baking powder. A few slabs of butter. And of course, some Nestle Choco chips. Okay, let's get started. Well, here we are already at step 1. This is the part where we're going to mix all of our dried ingredients together as one. As you can see here, I have everything already pre-measured out, which I highly suggest you do. Keeps things organized. Well, over here we got a full cup of chocolate chips, because I can't get enough of those. Just toss those in there. Over here we got, looks like about 1.5 cup of flour. I'm just going to dump that in there. Over here now we got 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated sugar. All right here, and now it's all right there. And then once you've done that, you're just going to mix it all up about the beats, make sure it's fine, and then we're already moving on to step where we are now in the process of adding our moist ingredients to even out those dry ingredients. So right here we have a 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. We also have 2 tablespoons of an egg, or half an egg if you're short on those measurements, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're just going to add this to the bowl here. Slurpty slop. Get it all in there. And then you're just going to whisk that till it's nice and even, kind of a brownish flowing consistency. And that is looking delicious. Welcome back. So next, you're gonna mash up your 1/2 stick of butter here in the finest balls you can get. You're just gonna add the stick to your dry ingredients here as efficiently as possible. You're gonna mash it all together. You're gonna pinch these little balls in there and get them as fine as possible. Just mix them up until you can't really tell that they're even there. And then we'll move on. Alrighty then. Now it's time to add our wets with our dries. This is a very crucial point in the scone baking process. You're going to take what we made over here previously, if you recall, and add it to what we made previously over here. We're going to mix this all up. There we are. All nice and mixed now. Just gonna plop the ploop over here. You're gonna want to make it as circular as possible, about 1 inch high. Just round those edges right off. Then you want to take this corner and wrap it on up for refrigeration, also known as cryonics. And we'll be mashing these very soon, and they will be quite delicious, out of this world. Well, after about 20 minutes, it's about time for your dough to be rock hard by then. That's a sign that you're ready to bake. So unravel that dough. By the way, we wrap some foil over the cookie sheet. It's a relatively good idea. And then you're going to want to cut it into 6 dip it in the milk and then the sugar, then plop them right back on there and observe. Well, after you're done with that, you can just pop them in the oven for about 350 degrees, 15-20 minutes, depending on your taste. Now comes the hard part. We wait. Well, here we are already at that time. Seems like we just started here. Now, we divulge.